Welcome to the preview of this White Morpho Butterfly tutorial. In this tutorial, I explore the complexity of painting a white subject onto white paper. This is a challenge in subtlety. There is no white paint to rely on. Instead, I rely on the delicate shifts of tone, temperature and shadow that gives my butterfly form and brings it to life. Every brushstroke becomes intentional and every shadow carries weight. The white paper does a lot of the work here, and I'm just painting in the shadows and details to create depth and form on the image. If my paint strokes are too heavy-handed, then I lose the delicate fragility of the butterfly's wing. Therefore, I just use the very tip of my pointed brush, and then I come back in with a barely damp brush to help soften the details even more, so that they blend into the background while still maintaining their definition. When working on a subject like this, colour mixing becomes incredibly subtle. Although the butterfly appears white, I'm actually mixing very delicate variations of cool and warm greys, whilst also adding hints of yellow ochre, so that the surface doesn't become flat or lifeless. By slightly shifting the hue within the mix, the painting creates a sense of movement and variation. The key to making a white subject feel convincing is tonal control. The lightest areas are simply the untouched paper, while the surrounding soft shadows and mid-tones allow those highlights to exist. Without these tonal shifts, the butterfly would lose its form. Contrast is equally important. Even in a painting like this, the darker accents around the edges and within the wing structure help define the shape and give the butterfly presence on the page. In many ways, this tutorial is less about colour and more about learning to see, noticing the small changes in tone and temperature that allow a white subject to emerge from your paper. Now, if you'd like to paint this full tutorial, I'll take you through it step by step inside my online school, where you'll also find 90 plus more watercolour tutorials. You can take a look by clicking the link below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and then you won't miss any of my upcoming tips and techniques. So enjoy the rest of the video and goodbye for now.